Good morning students. Plus 2 physics class 4 electrostatics. In previous classes we had discussed about Coulomb's law, superposition principle and electric field. Today we are going to discuss about electric field due to system of charges. Consider a system. The charge is Q1, Q2 and Q3 are located at various points in space. So we are going to find the electric field due to these three charges at the point P. So R1, R2, R3 are the distances between Q1 and P and Q2 and P. So R1P, R2P, R3P. So what is the electric field due to that plus Q, the charge Q1. So electric field pointing outwards. So the electric field due to Q1 is in this direction, that is E1P. The electric field due to Q2, that is in this direction, that is E2P. Then electric field due to Q3, it's in this direction, that is E3P. So the resultant electric field acts along in this direction. So the total electric field, that is the resultant electric field due to the charge Q1, Q2 and Q3. So it's E1P plus, then it's E2P, this one is E3P. So the electric field due to the charge Q1, Q2, Q3 at point P is equal to vector sum of electric field due to charge Q1, Q2, Q3 up to n number of charges. So already we know electric field E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R squared R cap. So we use here, instead of Q we use Q1. So electric field E1 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, taking common Q1 by R1P squared R1P cap. R1P is the distance between the charge and the point P. R1P cap is the unit vector directed from Q1 to P. Then similarly for Q2, that is R2P squared R2P cap up to the nth charge, that is Qn by R3P squared R3P cap. So if it is n, it should be Rnp squared or Np cap. We can rewrite the equation as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught summation I equal to 1 to n Qi by Rip squared Rip cap. So total electric field E total is equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught summation I is equal to 1 to n. We substitute I is equal to 1, it's R1P squared R1P cap. Then summation means we need to add. And finally the relative length of the electric field vector. Length of electric field vector is directly proportional to relative distance of the charge. Relative distance of the charge from the point P. So relative length of electric field. See, Q1 and Q3 have a maximum length compared to Q2 because Q1 and Q2 are somewhat nearer to the point P. But Q2 have a small length of electric field vector. So because its Q2 is somewhat further away from the point P. So electric field due to system of charges, you need to know the formula. E total is equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught, summation I equal to 1 to n Qi by RIP squared RIP cap. Thank you.